Hello, this is Krystalstation. It works with Crystal. Subscribe and smash that blue thumbs up like button. And happy the 30th. It's 4 p.m. almost 5 p.m. Wow. Just took a shower to wake up. And right now I have to rinse this off because I just want to rinse it off. What is this? This is for my Itworks, a pink thing called Non-Again. It's for like mixing like smoothies, but not really smoothies, like the Itworks Supergreens, stuff like that. Then you can use the Super Reds. It's called a mini blender. I'm putting most liquids only. Almost got the phone wet. Whoops. That's to mix afterwards when I'm done. I'm not using this right now. Over here, whoops. But today we're making Itworks Supergreens. The packet looks like this. You only get, let's see, you get 30 in mineral supplement, no GMO, no official colors or flavors, keto friendly and soy free, chocolate flavor with other natural flavors. Yummy and delicious, tastes like hot chocolate. I said this before, or chocolate milk, or cocoa. You can mix it with 2% or any type of milk. Soy milk. You can mix it with H2O water, or you can mix it with what's that one stuff called again? I forgot the name. I know the name, I just can't think of it right now because it's frozen in the deep freezer right now. I know the name. Like healthier milk you drink, that type of milk will go good with the Supergreens. But right now I'm mixing in the blender the Supergreens with the Myers brand red tart cherries. That's what they look like in this green blender thing. You can buy on bossbabecrisstal.itworks.com for PBA free genuine for only $15. My website, and this is only $39. And this you can buy anywhere for like maybe like $4 at Myers. I'll show the there's so much I don't know what I went to find it and show what to mix else with. They're like vanished. Like that one walnut milk, that type, and the other type of milk, it's like walnuts with the Supergreens. And baby Leslie, I know that's you. Okay, enough already, I know. Oh, weird. Right now I'm gonna show how you do it. Right now, real quick, I have to put this over here like I did before. It'll be really hard to do this like the right way too. See, there's no way to do this here at all because the stove's in the way. The only way I'm gonna do is like this. That's the only way I'm going to do this. Like that, there we go. I'm going to show how to like, because I'm tall, I have to do it shorter now. So I need it taller. The iPhone Pro Max should be better than the other phone, it should. To make it at the right angle, the pink tripod is hard to make it at the right angle. I think it's the tripod doing it, maybe. To get the stuff for it now. rinse the cup out again to this cup. I don't want to fill that thing up with water right now first. Like half water. Like that. Now I'm going to use some ice at the end when you get ice right now. You can make these like Supergreens different ways. Like you can even put beets in the drink, I heard too. Turn the water off now. The Supergreens up here so you can see the sample of it, what it looks like. Like that. Now, put this like here. First I'm going to put in is, I actually want to do something totally different in there, but open this now so I'll open it later. These are so hard to open. Just like the single to-goes are hard to open. Yeah, almond milk, that's what I meant. Stacy Joe Adams, I'm weird. See? Usually I know to open these. I'm weird today. Because they're different. Come on, please stop. Now I'm getting the scissors to open this now. So I have that opener now. Throw this away in the trash. We're doing that now. Now to start the thing I was talking about. Throw this away now. I hope the pits are not on the cherries in here. I hope not. Yeah. It froze to death. Really, look. Really? Huh. That's funny. Oh well, that's the best I can do. There. I might put more in there, maybe. I don't know yet. I need more. Now to put the ice cubes in. I just dropped it earlier. So 1, 2. There's recipes in my own way. I didn't copy nobody at all. Because I don't have the super reds. That's why I'm doing the red tart cherries instead of the super red. Still I'm sure it works. Now last but least I'm putting in Supergreens. But it has good detoxifying balance and mushrooms and sprouts and from the steamed salad, much more in this. And it gives you energy to clean maybe the bedroom, to put the clothes in the drawers. It might help me with that. That's why I'm drinking this now. And the only thing I drunk or ate all day is this. I'm weird. Let's see if this turns out the way I want it. I pray. I'll turn her on. That's loud. It's leaking right through it. In the future I need to buy a bigger one. This one's like too small. The one that's the really huge black one. chocolate and cherries, like chocolate covered cherries. That's how it tastes right now. But it tastes like the fake chocolate covered cherries, like the ones you buy for Christmas, but the fake type. Because my taste is way different, because my sinuses make it worse for me to taste certain foods and drinks. Sad. It's gonna be hard to take this off. I don't want to get it all over. Careful. Careful, I don't want all over my shirt. And there. I'm gonna do it like that from now on. I'll rinse this top off this thing. It's messy. They did that really? That's funny. For real people, they discontinued the Supergreens, the same thing, and they replaced it to the To-Go's, the bag one, but they're still both messy no matter what they do, really. That's the funny part I don't get. It don't make sense at all. Look, probably it's messy because the blender's making it messier because I put too much in here. Probably that's why. Let's see if it's done all the way. Yeah, it's not done all the way. I can't see it being done quite yet. It's not done. It makes it a little bit more. This video is going right to YouTube. I already did one, but I'm doing one with different episodes starting today. Just like with the cereal on YouTube, I post the same way but different. Put this back now. Don't need this anymore. It's all sticky too. I have more for backup, so in case I need more. Last time, put this up here. Don't go anywhere. Or I need to get every product from Itworks in the future. But there's so many different ones. There's 100 different products for the company I work for. Now they have the pumpkin spice. Just like the Supergreens, but it's pumpkin spice coffee, for $50 damn. That's how much it is for only 12 things of it. That's sad it's that expensive because the company makes it that way. Ice back again. I did before. But next I might be trying the blueberries with the Supergreens next time. It's not working. Whoa, careful. Don't turn it on when I'm opening the top off of the blender. Because I do not want to do that. It'll go all over the walls. Oh my god, that would not be good at all. They're done with that now. There. I'll pour this in here, mix it up another way I thought of instead. With the pink thing instead in here. There we go, better idea. It still gets all over no matter what I do. Oh my god. I think I got it in my hair, whoops. Oh well. It's fine, it's not that bad. Let me try it now. It does taste yummy now. It tastes the perfect way I want it there. I'm good now. Pour the rest in here now. Done with that finally. blenders are so hard to clean out, like inside of it with the sharp part. That's so hard to do in life anymore. Certain things are easy to clean up and certain things are not. I would know because I've old blenders too. A black old one, the Hamilton blender. Oh, this is Hamilton Beach. My bad. Says that on here, so that's why. This one I bought off online. I'm trying to clean the mess up I made now. I got all of it, I think. Maybe I'm still not done though. Damn it. Trying to make a mess no matter what I do. That's what it's made for. So it's done now. Drink is done. I'll just shake more. Quit doing that stupid thing. Dude, it's on all the way. Why is it still leaking? It should not do that, right? Whatever, give up. I rinsed this off. This comes out. To rinse this off, it will go bad if I don't. The dry part. That's up now, done with that. I'll clean this up. It's hard to see if I can see it. So everyone please try to buy the Supergreens for $39. It's really yummy and healthy and delicious for your body. If you're trying to lose weight or whatever, just to try it. So I'm really trying to make more money for us all where we live right now. For our son, Leslie the third. For my baby Leslie. And all of us there. That's why I'm selling this stuff. And this is a real legit job. It's not fake, it's real. You go to Itworks.com, look it up. Well, you can't go buy on that one because that one's not the one I'm selling through. The one I'm selling through is, like I said, it's bossbabecrystal.itworks.com. That's my own personal website with that logo. Because my old coach, but she's not old, is named Crystal Characters, who made me join this for like $39 last year. And I did the crazy wrap thing. I've done that, and we're selling that. So all this stuff that people know about, we're still selling everything. There.